So I usually don't make drop list videos for small brands like this, but Isaac from Royal Surge has shown my brand FACADE so much love. Yes, that's a facade on socials. Shameless plug, everything linked in the description down below. But since he scratches my back so much, I figured I'd scratch his and show off what he's releasing, and we're going to go over that in a little bit. But I also wanted to mention the interview that I did with Isaac from Royal Surge, I think like a month or so ago, which is like an hour long. We talk about a bunch of stuff with him working with Lil Mosey, Trippie Redd collaborations, and just stories of hanging out with celebrities, the origin of the brand, kind of like hurdles of building his brand. So I thought it was very interesting. Hopefully you guys will enjoy that too, which once again will be linked in the description down below as well. Now with that out of the way, let's talk about what is releasing. We have 2 puffers dropping, and I know what you guys are probably thinking, Tristan, you're not into puffer coats, or what people always say that I say, which, you know, I do always say. I'm not crazy about puffers. They're usually a pass for me, and these ones, you know, I just don't wear puffer silhouettes, but I respect them, and I absolutely love his all over hearts camo print that both bear. So these are the Emotions puffers, which we have coming in a black colorway, which, you know, I like that camo color. And then we also have it coming in an icy blue colorway, which I know people love this like baby blue colorway. I've, you know, once again, never really been a fan of the baby blue colorway. I've seen him do the red hearts camo stuff as well on some other silhouettes. You know, like I said, puffer jackets really aren't for me. I can respect the design. I respect these designs, but I've seen it on like a trucker jacket, I want to say, or something, and also in the red camo colorway. Very hard. But for a small brand, the detailing on these is crazy. We have a removable hood. We also have a faux fur lining, which adds an upgraded level of comfort, and then flip it over on the back and we have this "the world is yours" print. So now let's talk about price point. These are coming in at $200 retail, but once again, this is a smaller brand. You know, this isn't Palace, this isn't Supreme. They can't order thousands of these in bulk and get them at a super discounted price because of that. So with as much customization as this does have, it has the all over print, and we got the print on the back, we have all this detailing going on, the fur lining, you know, it's gonna be expensive for him to make. So at the end of the day, $200 isn't that bad for what this coat actually is. It's highly customized. It appears to be a pretty warm coat as well. So hopefully for the $200, you know, you are getting what you're paying for. Wrapping this up, I'll also mention that the blue puffer was recently featured in the new Polo G music video. I'm not exactly sure of the name of the person who was wearing it, but it was some dude right next to Polo G for like the entire video. So it's really cool to see everywhere that Royal Surge or Isaac is taking Royal Surge, everywhere that's popping up, like, you know, all these rap videos, and just the growth of it is really interesting to watch. So if you guys are interested in buying one of the puffers, or maybe you want to keep an eye on the brand for future drops, their Instagram as well as their web store will be linked in the description down below. That's all I've got for you guys. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.